This is all the hard plastic that was taken off. 20 inches wide or maybe less than that. And then this was the tracking for the mast that I took out, and these were aluminum T-bar stiffs that I took out also. So I'm going to cut this twin box out and use Gorilla polyurethane, and I'm going to add 30 inches of okay, right now the board foam is exactly 8 pounds, is an inch added to the 4 inches of the main. Okay, I'm ready to do the hot coat for the bottom, and it was decorated with Sharpie markers.